driven by the motto that every individual on this planet deserves quality care. Auxein Group works passionately to help others live fearlessly. Never emphasizing numbers, we pride ourselves on individual stories, patients who benefited enormously and are leading a rich life because of our products. Our footprints have expanded to over 70+ countries where patients, doctors and partners alike rely on Auxein Group to move forward. As we embark upon this journey to grow stronger, bigger and wiser, we fervently hope our commitment to change benefits you as well. Every orthopedic implant manufactured by us meets the highest quality standards. Not resting on our laurels, we are constantly improving our processes and technology. Mr. Ashok Luthra, founder and chairman, built this organization from ground up, starting with a one-room unit to manufacture Austin Moore prostheses, thereby becoming Delhi's first company to produce hip replacement implant. It was only inevitable that with such rapid strides, Mr. Luthra's two elder sons, Deepak and Gaurav, joined him in the year 2000 to help the enterprise build a greater market presence. Deepak's financial acumen and administrative skills, and Gaurav's natural affinity and expertise in modern engineering and design processes came in handy, while establishing a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant with an expanded team of 50. The youngest son, Rahul, returned from his higher studies in New Zealand and Australia in 2008. Equipped with fresh ideas in international marketing, he built a team of young collaborators and helped usher in an era of rapid modernization by entering overseas markets. Internationally sourced, all our raw materials is from top-notch quality providers. When it comes to quality, we never spare costs in our mission to stay a step ahead, which thereby affords us the wherewithal to serve specialized OEM requirements. As they say, the devil is in the detail. Every step of the production process undergoes due diligence. Not just that, special attention is paid to the storage of sensitive material, thereby adhering to the ISO standards as well as other international safety and hygiene assessments. In our pursuit of excellence, we employ CAD, CAM, CAE programs to provide the most effective solutions to the ever-evolving needs of our clients. Associating with the very best, we routinely collaborate with the R&D teams of IIT Labs and CSIR, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, in our pursuit of improving product design. A remarkable journey that began almost a quarter of a century ago with the hip replacement implant. The Austin Moore prosthesis has diversified into implants for trauma, kneeling, spinal, maxillofacial and veterinary care, along with a selection of ancillary general instruments used in related surgical procedures. In keeping with our pioneering status, in 2014, we became India's first implant manufacturer to offer US FDA 510K approved locking plates, screws and nailing system. With an aim to offer our partners the maximum flexibility to incorporate their special requirements, our production processes are in consonance with international quality control parameters, with every machine undergoing due diligence. Each and every system is fine-tuned to minimize error. A lot of time and effort is invested in researching improvements in mounting the final product. keenly aware of the fact that we operate in a highly specialized and delicate field. Every step is taken with utmost care. To ensure top levels of hygiene and texture, all our products undergo intensive surface treatment. Special mention must be made of our color anodizing process that takes into account environmental conditions, voltage values, waiting time, redactor sensitivity, solution rate and operator experience to give our products a lasting finish. In addition to this, every implant is inscribed with information by tamper-proof laser marking methods. Reminiscent of a sci-fi film set, our clean room is a medical marvel. Right from its design to apparatus in use to the personnel has been chosen after due deliberation. Not only is our clean room designed as per ISO 14644-1 norms under category class 5, 7 and class 8, it offers possibilities for adapting to special requirements too. Coming to the end of the assembly line, our facilities are equipped to carry out every stage of sterile and non-sterile packaging operations, coupled with maximum speed and minimum error. Since the time of our inception, we have adhered to the strictest standards in packaging and sterilization. Consequently, all our products are CE marked and packaged as per EN 980 standards. It is our firm belief that every individual associated with us is a partner and a co-creator. We believe in nurturing long-term associations and growing together with both our employees and associates. Group workshops, training sessions, collective brainstorms, and even a few holidays together to relax and unwind are absolutely integral to our culture. Unparalleled in the industry, our emphasis on observing regulatory norms is second to none. Our dedicated team of experts is committed to ensure we remain in line, resulting in our facilities being compliant with ISO 9001-2015, ISO 13485-2016, US FDA 510K and 21 CFR requirements of US FDA, CE certification and NABL. Our pursuit of excellence has resulted in Auxein Group becoming India's first orthopedic implant manufacturing company to receive the prestigious and most coveted MDSAP or Medical Device Single Audit Program certification. In order to evaluate the mechanical properties of our products, we have established an in-house mechanical testing lab. It includes the latest test methods and analysis tools covering all types of mechanical testing procedures to evaluate mechanical performance of implants. Our extensive mechanical testing expertise covers static, fatigue, torsion, and wear testing of our products. We especially pride ourselves on our prototype production process, during which product parts undergo numerous functionality tests before they are deemed fit for mass production. This process is a harbinger of sorts, success of which ensures the suitability of the finished product. At this stage, we ensure that every requirement from our OEM services is met, sans any blemish. We have invested in a dedicated team of medical experts who routinely collaborate with industry veterans, medical professionals, and operations managers to combine cross-disciplinary know-how and develop innovations in processes and products. A journey that began humbly in a 450 square foot room has grown to facilities spread across 45,000 square feet. In keeping with our past, we aspire not only to expand our range in future, but also enter the field of customized care in an unprecedented way to heal people. Our international presence is marked by our annual participation in international exhibitions such as Arab Health, UAE, AAOS, USA, FIME, USA, Medica, Germany, EFORT, Europe, to name a few. We have opened offices in Germany, USA, Mexico, and many more are in the pipeline to ensure best service and quality to customer in every continent globally. DIAS, Division of Auxein Institute of Surgeons Academy's mission is to improve a patient's life through innovative orthopedic research and development. The DIAS Academy pays special attention to the education and training of various stakeholders involved, namely customers, technicians and surgeons. Highly successful and innovative programs such as Surgeon-to-Surgeon program, cadaver labs and dry labs have helped users be well versed and adequately trained in products and techniques. Not only are we proud of being an Indian company delivering excellence, but we continue to evolve our technology and serve the best patient care with an Indian heart. Along the way, we have built long-lasting relationships with our employees and associates, and we intend to keep the dialogue going.